Akala natin we are successful kapag nagkaroon tayo ng bahay, lupa at sasakyan. Nakaprogram na kasi yan sa utak natin. Yan din ang mentality ko before. Hindi pala asset ang tawag doon. But I learned from the book of Robert Kiyosaki, your property is not yet your asset, it is still your liability. Kapag naglalabas ka ng pera for it. But if your property is putting money on your pocket, then that's an asset. This is Edith, your Miss Reality for today, saying basta may chika, may grasya, yehey! Welcome to my life! Isa sa mga marirecommend ko ay ang mutual fund. Si mutual fund ay meron na siyang assets, bonds, stocks, and equities. Good news, once na maka-access ka dito, zero load fee or no entry fee. 'Di ba? At may fund manager ka pa. Si fund manager, siya na ang magdi-distribute or magdi-decide kung saan i-invest sa iba't ibang company yung pera mong ini-invest. O 'di ba? Saan ka pa?